Hi guys, welcome to our second episode of 18 area. You are with Spusiso Chauke. As I did promise that I'll come back to recap on the last week's fixtures, the MTN 8, and to give my predictions for the weekend's fixtures. So with the MTN 8, I gave my predictions to Pirates winning 2-1, but they drew 1-all. So no surprise there. Cape Town City played very well, and now going into the second leg, Pirates have the advantage of the away goal. So I think Pirates have the chance to go to the final. So my predictions for the second leg now is Pirates winning. They'll go through to the finals, and with the second game, Stellenbosch and Mamelodi Sundowns, I predicted a draw on that game, but Stellenbosch won the game. So I still see Stellenbosch winning the game, plus they're playing at home. So I see a Stellenbosch Orlando Pirates final in the MTN 8 finals. So now I'll touch on the English Premier League, the best league in the world. So I'll just give predictions on 4 or 5 games. So the first one is Arsenal against Brighton. We know Arsenal 2 seasons ago they were runners-up to Manchester City as well as last season. So I think now they have a very good chance of winning the league. So I think the Arsenal and Brighton game, Arsenal are to win the game. So the second game which I'm gonna predict is Newcastle against Tottenham. Remember the last time Spurs played Newcastle. Newcastle won by 6-1 at home and then 6-1 away. So this one I see a draw. I don't know why, but a draw is fair for this game. And then the third one, Liverpool against Manchester United. Whew, that's a very tough game, but Liverpool has won 2 of their first opening games, and United only won 1. And we know how badly United do against Liverpool. So I see Liverpool winning this one. And then my fourth prediction is the Chelsea and who are they playing against? Chelsea and Crystal Palace. Having won their last game, Chelsea 6-2 against Wolverhampton Wanderers, I think they can even win this one. They played very well against Wolverhampton Wanderers, winning 6-2. Noni Madueke with a hat-trick, Cole Palmer with 3 assists. So I see them winning this one again against Crystal Palace. Crystal Palace has lost 2 of their opening games to West Ham as well as Brentford. So I don't see Crystal Palace getting their first win for the season. So another one, there's Ipswich against Fulham, the newly promoted team, Ipswich. Oh, unfortunately for them, they've played against 2 of the big 6 clubs, which is Liverpool and Manchester City, and they've lost 2 of those games. So against Fulham, I see them winning, because they're playing at home. So I see Ipswich winning this one. And then another game is West Ham against Manchester City, the 4 times champions Manchester City. Their last game, the game that won them the league, it was against West Ham United. So again, I see them winning, even though Pep Guardiola did say that he was not motivated to win the 5th title in a row. But I see Manchester City winning, because Manchester City are one of the 4 teams to have won the 2 opening games of the league. So I see Manchester City winning. So guys, please predict your own score for all those games that I've mentioned. And it's a prediction. Obviously it can go wrong, but it's a prediction. Who knows, maybe you might be right, you might be wrong, but just put on your predictions on that comment section, and please don't forget to subscribe and to like. So I'll be back again to recap on those fixtures that I've just predicted. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you again next time. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.